To create a live event on your TikTok, all you need to do is to go to the sign here, click setting and privacy, click on live event, then where it says create an event, click on that. Then it's just going to give you like steps. Create an event and wait for reviews. So it's going to give you steps. Record a promotional video using the live event. So which means if you create the event, you can also tag on any of your video posts to the event. You can include the event in it. Go live and host your event. So you just tap on the screen. Then where it says create an event name, start time, description. So you write what the event is all about and that time you want the event to start and what the event is all about. If it's a birthday event, if it's an official match, any kind of event it may be. So when you do that, you click on create, then you wait for TikTok to review it. So after a review, you're going to get a notification that your event is live. Then you can be able to see that on your bio on TikTok. So basically that's how you create an event, a live event on TikTok. Find the video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. See you in my next video. Bye.